Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP with BNB on Trust Wallet. It's an easy process. Please make sure you can find your BNB. And in order to find the BNB, simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and simply search for the BNB. Once you found the BNB you wish to swap, select the BNB you wish to swap and simply click on the three dotted icon at the right and click on Swap BNB. Now, in the place of the Trust Wallet token, that's the BEP20 Trust Wallet token, select this Trust Wallet token and simply search for the XRP and simply select the XRP token. Now, once you've done this, simply enter the amount of BNB you wish to swap for the XRP. So let's go with 25%. Click on Preview Swap. Please select the Confirm. And once you've selected Confirm, the transaction is going to be processing. So simply click on OK. And once you're done reloading, you find that your BNB was used. And now all you need to do is simply search for the XRP and simply enable this XRP. Select the BEP20 XRP and simply reload. And now by simply reloading, you can find your XRP. But this is the BNB pegged XRP token. If you're looking to get yourself the native XRP, which is this XRP here, all you're going to have to do is simply send your available BNB. That's your Binance Smart Chain BNB. Send this available BNB over to a centralized account where you can simply swap it into the XRP there. And the centralized account or the centralized exchange I'm working with or I'm talking about is the Binance Centralized Exchange. And once you've opened up your Binance, please make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account in Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section. Once at either the overview, you scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. And once you found your BNB, simply head over to the convert section. And where we have the from and to, select the cryptos 1 inch and simply search for XRP. And then where we have to select the BNB. And now you could simply swap your available BNB for the XRP by entering an amount. So let's say 0.002 and simply click on Preview Conversion. By doing so, we can simply convert our BNB into XRP. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.